Hi guys, so here we have a sparkle blue Hyundai i20. It's a near side rear bumper scuff. The customer's already tried repairing this, and he's called me up to do it correctly because he wasn't happy. So I'm just DAing down the damage. You can see the filler what the customer's done. I'm using 180 grit sanding disc. Cleaning down. Panel wiping. Now just using the heat gun to sort of push in the dents so I can put some filler in and it's all smooth. Mixing up some fiberglass there. There was a few of the deep areas. Please guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Now that side has dried, I can rub that down. Using 240. If you like this video guys, please subscribe, click that bell so you can be notified on the next video that I upload. Now using the DA with 500 grit just to smooth and get all the deep scratches out. Now scotching. Always scotch in 2 different directions or 3 ideally. Should scotch until all the lacquer is matte. Taking off the registration plate so I can scotch behind there. Give it a good clean. Start masking up. Ready for primer. Get the infrared on to let it dry, takes 10 minutes. Apply another set for the paint. Would like to hear from you guys and see what kind of videos you'd like in the future. Leave those comments below. Now rubbing the primer down, I think I'm using some scotch and then panel wipe. Pretty straightforward. Now first layer of paint. Second layer. Tacking it beforehand. Always tack in between layers. any loose paint. Going for the first layer of lacquer. Now the top layer, big thick coat. Let that dry. Usually takes around about 30 minutes. Take the paper off while it's drying. Prevents any tape sticking to the paint. Cleaning up. Now the paint's dry, you can start polishing. This job was very straightforward, no complications. Yeah, now done, finished. Hi guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, means a lot, thank you.